we are going to sew a headband for nurses to have masks. First, you cut it at 10 inches by 7 inches. Make sure that you cut it so that the stretch is along the 10-inch wide so that it's stretchy. Now unfold it this way and then fold in half long ways so that you have a long tube. Now you're going to take it, you're going to serge it like so. If you have a serger and you're sewing knit fabric, the best kind of thread is to use woolly nylon in the larger two spots. If you don't have woolly nylon, that's fine. It's also best to use a ballpoint needle. If you don't use a ballpoint needle, it will drag your knit fabric down into your the bottom of your presser foot plate. Okay, so I've turned it right side out. Now I'm just going to match the seam up together right here. And this is just a really very fast headband. We'll put a link to a way to make those edges more finished. Oh, if you want. So we're going to, there's the seam right there. Just get the strings out. Serge that like that. And then you have your headband. Cut off your ends. Now to do the button, we're going to measure about 2.5 to 3 inches from the end and stick a pin in it, and then do the same thing on this side. And we're going to take our button. Come here. We're going to take our button where our pin is, stick it in our sewing machine. Put your sewing machine on your button setting. Just make sure it goes through the holes, and then sew your button on. Do that for both sides, and you should have your headband. There you go.